In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a Wix button take people to your Instagram DMs. The first thing you want to do is head over to Instagram.com from your computer or mobile device and open up the conversation or the DMs with the profile that you want to send people to once they click on a button. Now, I've already gone ahead and done that. And as you can see right here in the search bar, I have pasted the URL of the person or the profile that I want to send people to. So this is the DMs link of that specific profile that I want to lead people to. So once you have the link, head over to your Wix editor and find the button that you want to use. In my case, I'm going to use the Shop Now button right here. And as you can see, it is already linked. So we're going to click on this button right here to unlink it. And then from page or whatever it might be, in this case, go to web address just like this and then paste the link that you copied from Instagram, this one right here, and then click on done. And now let's go ahead and preview the website and see where it takes us once I click on this button. Give it a few seconds to load, and you will see that, as you can see, it has now put us through to the DMs of my account. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a Wix button send people to your Instagram DMs. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.